Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, my name is Josie. I am an interior designer who loves modern luxury on a budget. This will be the first Christmas decorating video of my series for 2025. I will be doing my entryway, kitchen, and dining room. My main tree is in my entryway, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, so my living room still looks like it's stuck in July, but Christmas is officially happening today. We're packing away the summer decor, bringing out the holiday pieces, and turning this space into a cozy Christmas living room for 2025. If you're decorating your home too, grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's do this together. As I'm setting up the living room for Christmas, one thing that really affects the mood of a room is lighting. And if you've been here for a while, you know I love anything that makes my home both functional and elevated, which is why I upgraded my window treatments recently with these Smart Wings motorized woven wood shades. These wood shades add perfect texture for the season, and because they're motorized, I can change the lighting in the room with just one tap of a button. Whether I'm filming, hosting, or wanting a cozy holiday glow while the tree is lit, it makes such a difference. They come in blackout and light filtering options, and the woven material feels very high end. Plus, you can control them with your remote, your phone, or even voice control, so the space feels polished without any visible cords or hardware. Smart Wings is also running their Black Friday promo from November 15th through December 2nd. You'll get 10% off site-wide or 15% off orders over $1,500. I'll link it below in the description if you want to check them out.